Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to use the voice changer in Capcut to your video. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you would click on one of your project or you can just create the new one. Um, let's say you want to change the voice of a video. Let's say I want to change my the the voice effect for the sound effect down here. Let's say I want to change that sound effect. I can click on this sound effect over here. On the top right, you would click on voice changer, and currently it has a tremble sound. If I want to change it to original, or this is how it would sound, or I can change to another sound such as helium sound, which is much more higher. But for the sound with the diamond above, they require the membership. So if you really love this sound, then you can buy the membership. But if you don't want to, then you can just use one of the free sound over here. It also allows you to use the character voice, like the queen voice, but this one is applying for the actual recording voice, not the sound effect. So if you want to try out to your voice, then you can just import the video, click on it, click on voice changer, and then just mess around with this. And that is how you can change or distort your voice in CapCut. Thank you.